Yeah.
No different than the cottonwood blowing all over the place.
That grade looks kind of cool. Oh yeah, that's a much nicer.
Now if I can get the seat back in, you're not going to be able to see it anymore. Straight down from here? It's hot in here. Just what we were looking for.
That's great. Kind of cool.
I gotta take that white part of the sticker off.
Buford needs a bath already again.
Why not?
Dusty again. Quick.
And we finally have white base on the firewall for the first time. I didn't film anything because it didn't work, but I had this white already once, and we sprayed some black pepper on it and then wiped it off with thinner and redoing it again. I don't have anything to show you what the black pepper looked like, but I have this white metal flake here that looks white until you spray it on top of white, and then it turns black for some reason. It looked horrible. It was the ugliest thing I've ever seen. So we wiped it all off. And now we're going with this. Because I don't want to wait and order something else, like a white ice pearl, which is what I want. This will work. That's what I did on the S10 bed floor. I don't know if you can see this in here, but the test panel looks pretty good. So as soon as this dries, we'll spray a couple coats of that on there, and then I'll clear it tomorrow, or the next day, or the next day, or the day after that. So yeah, stinks in here. So decided that the fuel pump is bad in this, so I got a new one on the way. And I got a bunch of sound deadener. You can see it through the roof. So I'm going to tear this headliner out, sound deaden it, and then put the same fur on that. This is ready to clear. It's white and it has the glitter on it. But can't clear because it's been nice this week, and the neighbors had been out on their deck. Got their doors open, windows open. So I can't really spray any clear. Maybe Friday night, real late, which I wanted to put this together this weekend. But who knows when that'll be happening. Still got to sand down the front of the frame rails and touch those up. Plenty of stuff to do. So basically, nothing's getting done here. And that is the update. Very exciting.